All right, 10 pounds on the bench, nothing fancy, but don't let the weight fool you. These chest exercises help strengthen your upper body, improve posture, and make everyday life easier, like pushing doors, carrying groceries, or getting up without making all of those extra sound effects. And yes, this is coming from a 73-year young fitness coach. So if you're thinking maybe I'm too old to start, I'm here to lovingly cancel that excuse. You don't need heavy weights or a crowded gym. You just need consistency and a willingness to move your body. That's exactly why I created workouts inside my app. Simple, effective routines you can do right at home at your own pace. Because strength isn't about age, it's about showing up. And trust me, your future self will thank you for every single rep you do today. Oh, yeah.